Hello! We have had a lovely step to the side. We have had a lovely morning at Volcano Bay. Chilled out, did some lazy rivers, did some not so lazy rivers.
Lazy river.
Did some slides, did some chilling.
That is what I have been waiting for.
For a couple of years.
Oh, yeah.
And now we are currently on our way into Islands of Adventure to do Velocicoaster, which is very exciting. And
Motorbike for the seca.
motorbike for the seca. So we've only got a few hours, so we're going to have to don't dawdle. And this might be the only video diary you get until we get home. Okay, bye-bye.
I heard that man say tomorrow is going to be the coldest day since 2019. Which is probably. That's the bit I cannot wait for.
Close.
Very.
Well, Velocicoaster. Easily the most intense ride I've ever been on. We were at the back, which was additional wow factor, but it's just so quick and so turny and so bogged down kind of in itself and covered up. It's a rush. It's a definite rush. A lot of power. Yeah, just wow.
And I killed Sparky too.